Alright boys, 3 days later we are down to the short block. Actually doesn't look as bad as expected. Still got the factory horn marks in the cylinder walls. The only wear we were able to find on the bottom end was we have a little bit of rod clearance, so that would probably explain the oil pressure drop off and the light knock under load. Hopefully we'll be able to get by with a little bit of work from a machine shop. Cam bearings actually, the cam bearings actually didn't look too bad, but we're gonna go ahead and get a new set of cam bearings. And the camshaft itself, I don't feel any scoring, nothing that really catches the nail, but we might get away with just a little bit of polishing and crank work at the machine shop. Gonna go ahead and put a set of rings and all that in there, and we'll see what we got here in a few days. Gotta make some calls. But again, whenever he gets it apart at the machine shop, he'll really be able to dissect it and find any more issues. So hopefully we won't be too far in the hole. Pray for my bank account. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe.